Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are packing yet another order. This one is a cocaine jar for my customer, and as I've shown you before, this one smells like blueberry and it has Epsom salt in it, so it makes it look like actual Coke. So now what I'm gonna do is wrap it in a tissue paper. Just like so. I just try to make it neat. I fold it in so no ends poke out, and then I just twist it a little bit like so, and I cut the excess. Just trying not to cut my gloves with it. And here you can see this is how it looks. So I'm gonna tape it with a little piece of tape so it sits down before I place my seal wax on it. So here's the tape, and I'll just stick it right here, and I try to make it flat just like so. And now my wax is melted, and I'm gonna be placing it right on top of the tape, and I'm just gonna make sure that my tape doesn't show. Because it's hot, sometimes it can move the tape, but that's okay because after I stamp it, it'll go back down. And here's my stamp. It's pretty heavy, but I still like to place some weight on it for a little bit. And now I'll just let it dry for a little bit, and I will be preparing my box. It's time to take it off. As you can see, the tissue paper is sitting down and the tape is not showing. My box is all prepared. I have the label on top. It's all folded. So now I'm gonna place the jar in it. Here is my jar. And then my thank you stickers. Here, this is how it looks. But we're not done. I have to place this black ribbon on it. I measured it and cut it already. I'm thinking about getting more ribbons, maybe some different colors to go with the wax. But for now, this is what I have. And I taped it again just so it doesn't move. And now I'm gonna put the wax on it and make sure I cover all the tape. I love this color. I just added some red beans with the black leftover wax. And this is it. I'm just gonna let it dry and show you these wax melts that I'm gonna give out for free with this order. And this Epsom salt jar, it smells like lavender. And my thank you cards. I'm sending all 3 with this order. And these cards are hand drawn. The fronts are hand drawn, the backs are not. So this is what goes with each order. And now this is ready. It just came right off. I love how it looks. And this is my box ready to be shipped. I'll just be placing my shipping slip and the receipt with this order. But before we do that, I'm just gonna wrap it in some more bubble wrap, even though it goes in a bubble mailer, or when I have a bigger order it goes in a box. And for this one, I'm just making sure there's more bubble wrap wrapped around this box so the corners of the box don't get damaged. And this is how it looks. So this is everything going in that package. I hope you guys like the video. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment and follow me on all my social medias so I can show you more of my packaging videos and everything I do in my small business. I love sharing this, and make sure to like. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.